Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. This will be a strict giveaway video, giving away a huge prize. This is probably my biggest giveaway I've ever had in my history of YouTube. Just to let you know. If you're new to my channel, my name is Candace. I do beauty, fashion, and lifestyle videos. If you're not new, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in once again and continuing to stay subscribed to me. Today, I will get straight to the point because it's going to be a really fast video. Basically, I'm giving away a huge beauty and wellness package sponsored by Theraflu. Thank you, Theraflu, for this amazing opportunity to give back to my followers. And basically, I'm giving away this big care package. Yes, over 100 people. I've never given away anything to that many people at once before. And for those of you who have been wanting to win a giveaway, this is a great opportunity for you to win. And to enter the giveaway, I'll have a link in the description bar. Basically, you need to be following me on Instagram because that's where the giveaway is posted. I'll have a direct link to the post as well as a direct link to the actual giveaway in case you want to take part and perhaps become a winner. So I will include all the brands down below that will be featured in the package. Again, it's sponsored by Theraflu. So basically, it is them who made this possible. So I'm extremely grateful to them. And also, all the brands featured, as far as the beauty brands, are all Black-owned beauty brands, which is awesome. Great that I was able to give those away and also share them with you guys. So yeah, that's basically all I came here to say. I know I have like 3 or 4 giveaways going on right now, which is better for you guys, increases your chances of winning, and this increases your chances even more because it's like 100 and something out of however many entries I had. So I definitely didn't want to leave you guys out for those of you who are not following me on Instagram. So I decided to share it on here so you can get your butts over there in case you're not following me there. But yeah, let me know if you have any questions. Talk to you guys in my next one. Thanks for watching.